Are you grappling with indigestion, concerned about obesity, or facing cardiovascular issues? What if I told you there's a simple solution that might just be the magic you need in your daily routine? Enter apple cider vinegar. In the next few minutes, we'll uncover the myriad health benefits of this commonly used ingredient. From surprising weight loss perks to potential heart health improvements, and even relief from joint pain, it may sound too good to be true, but the wonders of apple cider vinegar might just amaze you. Let's delve into its extraordinary range of benefits and discover how this everyday ingredient could be your key to a healthier life. Number 10. Indigestion. Indigestion, also known as dyspepsia, encompasses various discomforts in the upper abdomen, such as bloating, gas, and a feeling of fullness. Apple cider vinegar has been linked to potential benefits for indigestion. The premise is rooted in its ability to increase the acidity in the stomach. By doing so, it is believed to facilitate the breakdown of food more efficiently, aiding the digestive process. Additionally, it might prompt the production of digestive enzymes, which play a crucial role in breaking down complex nutrients into absorbable forms. Some individuals find relief from indigestion symptoms by incorporating a small amount of diluted apple cider vinegar into their routine, often consumed before meals as a digestive tonic. However, it's important to note that individual responses to it can vary, and while some may experience relief, others may not find it effective for managing indigestion. Number 9. Weight loss. The potential association between apple cider vinegar and weight loss has garnered attention in the health and wellness community. One key component of apple cider vinegar, acetic acid, is thought to contribute to weight management. Studies suggest that acetic acid may influence the expression of genes related to fat metabolism and storage, potentially leading to a reduction in body weight and fat accumulation. Furthermore, it might have an impact on appetite regulation, promoting a feeling of fullness. This satiating effect could result in individuals consuming fewer calories, contributing to weight loss over time. However, it's essential to approach these findings with a realistic perspective. It is not a substitute for a balanced diet and regular exercise. While there is some evidence supporting its role in weight management, the effects are generally modest, and a holistic approach to a healthy lifestyle remains crucial for sustainable weight loss. Individuals considering it for weight management should do so in conjunction with other healthy habits and consult with healthcare professionals for personalized advice. Number 8. Blood sugar control. The relationship between apple cider vinegar and blood sugar control has been a subject of interest, particularly for individuals with insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes. Acetic acid, a major component of it, is believed to influence glucose metabolism. Studies suggest that apple cider vinegar may enhance insulin sensitivity, thereby improving the body's ability to manage blood sugar levels. Additionally, it may have a moderating effect on post-meal blood sugar spikes. Some individuals incorporate it into their diets with the hope of managing blood sugar levels more effectively. However, it's crucial to exercise caution, especially for those with diabetes, and consult with healthcare professionals. While there is some evidence supporting these potential benefits, individual responses can vary, and its impact on blood sugar is not universally established. Monitoring blood sugar levels regularly and working closely with healthcare providers is essential for individuals considering it as part of their diabetes management strategy. Number 7. Skin conditions. Apple cider vinegar is sometimes touted for its potential benefits in managing certain skin conditions. Its acidic nature is thought to create an environment less conducive to the growth of bacteria and fungi, making it a popular choice for skin applications. Some people use diluted apple cider vinegar as a toner or in topical solutions for issues like acne. The acetic acid in it may have mild exfoliating properties, potentially aiding in the removal of dead skin cells. However, it's crucial to be cautious with topical apple cider vinegar use, as it can be irritating to the skin, and individuals with sensitive skin may experience adverse reactions. Number 6. Sore throat. Gargling with diluted apple cider vinegar is a home remedy that some people turn to for soothing a sore throat. The acidic nature of apple cider vinegar is believed to create an environment less favorable for the growth of bacteria. Additionally, it might help break down mucus and provide temporary relief from throat discomfort. However, it's essential to use a well-diluted solution to avoid potential irritation, and individuals with more severe throat conditions should consult a healthcare professional for appropriate guidance. Number 5. Dandruff. The acidic nature of apple cider vinegar is also thought to be beneficial for the scalp. Some individuals use diluted it as a hair rinse to address dandruff. It is believed to help balance the pH of the scalp and reduce the growth of yeast, which can contribute to dandruff. The acetic acid in it may also have mild antimicrobial properties. However, it's important to use caution and not apply undiluted apple cider vinegar directly to the scalp, as it can be harsh and may cause irritation. Number 4. Heart health. While some studies in animals suggest potential cardiovascular benefits of apple cider vinegar, the evidence in humans is limited and requires further research. Animal studies indicate that it may have a positive impact on factors such as cholesterol levels and blood pressure. However, it's important to note that findings in animals do not always translate directly to human health outcomes. For individuals concerned about heart health, focusing on a balanced diet, regular exercise, and consulting with healthcare professionals remains crucial. It should not be considered a standalone solution for cardiovascular issues, and any potential benefits should be interpreted with caution until more rigorous human studies are conducted. Number 3. Bad breath. When it comes to combating bad breath, some individuals turn to apple cider vinegar for its potential antibacterial properties. Gargling with a diluted apple cider vinegar solution may create an environment less conducive to the growth of odor-causing bacteria in the mouth, providing a temporary solution for bad breath. The acetic acid in it is thought to be the key player in this process, acting as a natural antimicrobial agent. It's important, however, to exercise caution and ensure that the apple cider vinegar solution is well diluted to prevent any potential irritation of the oral tissues. While it may offer a quick fix, maintaining good oral hygiene practices, including regular brushing, flossing, and dental checkups, remains fundamental for long-term oral health. Number 2. Joint pain. The notion that apple cider vinegar may alleviate joint pain is rooted in its perceived anti-inflammatory properties. Some believe that the acetic acid in it could help reduce inflammation, providing potential relief for conditions like arthritis. However, it's crucial to note that the scientific evidence supporting this claim is limited. Individuals experiencing persistent joint pain should seek guidance from healthcare professionals for a comprehensive evaluation and appropriate management. Number 1. Detoxification. The promotion of apple cider vinegar as a detoxifying agent has gained popularity, with claims of its ability to cleanse the body. Yet, it's important to approach such assertions with a degree of skepticism. The human body possesses intricate and efficient detoxification mechanisms, primarily orchestrated by the liver and kidneys. While it does contain antioxidants, the scientific evidence supporting its role in significant detoxification is lacking. Adopting a balanced and nutritious diet, coupled with adequate hydration, stands as a more substantiated approach to supporting the body's natural detox processes. In summary, while apple cider vinegar is linked to health claims, scientific evidence is limited. For reliable guidance, consult healthcare professionals. Subscribe for more health insights and join the community committed to informed well-being. Thank you for being part of this journey.